20 Kriller Facts about Lionfish. Lionfish are a type of venomous marine fish that belong to the family Scorpaenidae. The most common species of lionfish found in the western Atlantic Ocean is the red lionfish, Pterois volitans. Lionfish are native to the tropical and subtropical waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Lionfish have distinctive red, white, and black stripes on their body and fins, which serve as a warning to predators. Lionfish have long, venomous spines on their fins that they use for self-defense. Lionfish can grow up to 18 inches in length and weigh up to 2.6 pounds. Lionfish are carnivorous and feed on a variety of small fish, shrimp, and other invertebrates. Lionfish are opportunistic predators and have been known to eat other lionfish. Lionfish reproduce by laying eggs that hatch into larvae. Lionfish have a long lifespan, with some individuals living up to 15 years. Lionfish are popular in the aquarium trade because of their striking appearance. Lionfish are considered an invasive species in the western Atlantic Ocean and Caribbean Sea. Lionfish were first introduced to the Atlantic Ocean in the 1980s, likely from aquarium releases or accidental escapes. Lionfish have no natural predators in the Atlantic Ocean, which has allowed them to spread rapidly and become a significant threat to native marine ecosystems. Lionfish are known to consume large quantities of juvenile fish, which can have significant impacts on the population dynamics of local fish species. Lionfish are also known to prey on small crustaceans, which can have indirect effects on the structure of marine communities. The venom of a lionfish can cause pain, swelling, and even paralysis in humans. Lionfish are not typically aggressive towards humans but may sting if they feel threatened. Lionfish can be caught and eaten by humans, but the venomous spines must be carefully removed before cooking. Efforts are underway to control the spread of lionfish in the western Atlantic Ocean and Caribbean Sea through targeted removals and educational outreach programs. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.